Most builders get this main workflow backwards. They build the product first, and then they look for an audience. And when nobody shows up, they assume the idea was bad. Usually it wasn't. There just wasn't any distribution. That's the problem. If you're building anything this year, whether it be AI tools, SaaS, agents, whatever, you need one thing before you need features. You need ownership, a domain, an audience, a place that people can return to. So let's build that first. Not theory, we'll actually ship it. The plan is simple. We're going to buy a domain, connect it to beehiiv, and turn it into a monetizable newsletter brand. No product, no backend configuring, no over-engineering. Let's get into it. So first, I'm going to be buying this domain through Porkbun. If you've used GoDaddy or Namecheap before, you already know how this usually goes. You have your first cheap year, you have a surprise renewal, and then you have 5 add-ons that you didn't ask for. Porkbun is different in a few ways. First, the pricing is transparent, the renewal price is clearly listed, and it stays close to the regular first-year price. In practice, that matters more than a promo code. Second, everything that should be free is included. Free Whois privacy, free SSL, free DNS management powered by Cloudflare, free URL forwarding, email forwarding, and hosting and email trials. Other registrars charge extra for that. The checkout is clean with 0 forced upsells. The interface is simple, modern, you can manage DNS, SSL, everything in one place, and if something breaks, they have real human support 365 days a year. That part matters when you're actually building things. They've been ranked the #1 domain registrar by Forbes Advisor and USA Today, and they have over 20,000 reviews on Trustpilot. So I'm grabbing this domain right now, AI Agents Weekly Club. If you want to try it, there's a link below, and you can use my code MakerThrive26 for $1 off your next domain. Okay, so now we own our asset. Owning it is step 1, leveraging it is step 2. So for step 2, we're going to connect to beehiiv. Let's open beehiiv. We start a new publication. We have a simple name and a clear niche. This is super important. You don't need a broad idea, you just need a specific one. So whether that's AI Agents Weekly, which is what I'll be using, or you could do something like Indie Builders Daily, or Vibe Coding Notes. These are all very specific wins that people would love to read about weekly, monthly, daily, whatever. So now we're going to add a custom domain. beehiiv gives us the DNS records, we'll copy them into Porkbun, and that's it. Within minutes, this goes from a random idea to a real brand. We have a custom domain, a live landing page, and professional email capture with 0 code involved. Now here's where it can get interesting. beehiiv has built-in monetization. They have an ad network, they have boosts, they also have paid subscriptions. You can turn monetization on without building anything else, and you don't need 10,000 subscribers. All you need is clarity. If 500 people care deeply about a niche, that's a business. This is what most founders miss. They build the product first, and then they try to rent attention later. What you need to do is build your attention first, and then you can decide what deserves to exist. AI can then build the product later. Distribution is much harder, and that's the part you need to be focusing on. So, is this a full business yet? No. You still need consistency, you still need taste, and you still need judgment. AI replaces starting from nothing, but it does not replace knowing what matters. But this stack is super simple. Porkbun for ownership, beehiiv for distribution, optional monetization built in. There's low overhead, low complexity, and it's very high leverage. In my opinion, this is a smarter starting point than building another half-finished SaaS. So if you have an idea sitting in your Notes app, buy the domain, connect it to a newsletter, and start writing. Let the market respond before you write code. That feedback is more valuable than any other feature. If you want a clean domain registrar, check out Porkbun below in the video description and use our code MakerThrive26 for $1 off your next domain. If you're building with AI and actually shipping things, be sure to subscribe to our channel. We post new videos every week. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see y'all in the next one.